Hi, hello guys, this is Syed Makram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. Today I'm just uploading the video on the topic like what I face on my Microsoft Office. So this is what how to fix your license. Is it not genuine and you may be victim of software counterfeiting. So you might receive this error on your office, like on Excel, Word, or PP, or PowerPoint. So regarding this, I'm just helping you out how you can uh, get this off or rid off from this notification. So let's get start with how we need to do that. So we need to click on files. So then we need to go on more. Then there will be options. Then you can go in the privacy setting and the general. There are a number of settings, but we need to go on just general settings and click on privacy settings, and we need to off this notifications. So we need to turn off this all connecting experiences. So we need to do OK. It will say restart office to apply the changes, so we need to do OK. Then we need to do OK over here. See, it's still we are getting the same error notification, but it will be go off when you restart the same thing. So let's see how we can do this. Just we need to go to the download sections or the file what you have. So just you can go over here, just you can see where it can go is like the T folder. I do have the data. This is like my data and complete data science. I do have this folder, data science sheet. So I'm just clicking out that, and let's see if we get that notification error or notification pop up in my Excel file right now. You can see now that the error has gone and you couldn't able to face the same issue what you will be facing earlier. That's it guys. Hope you got it, and thank you. Have a great day.